Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered why your phone insists on looking at your face before it unlocks? Or why your bank sends you a text code every time you try to move money? In the world of cybersecurity, this is called authentication, or authn for short. It is the fundamental process of verifying your identity. Essentially, it's the system asking, are you really who you say you are? Think of it like an airport. When you show your ID at the check-in counter, that's authentication. Once they verify it's you, they give you a boarding pass that says you can sit in seat 4A but can't enter the cockpit. That second part, the permissions, is called authorization. But today, we're focusing on the first step, the digital gatekeeper. To prove your identity, security systems look for factors. Generally, there are three main categories. First, something you know. This is knowledge. It includes your passwords, PINs, or the answer to that secret question about your first pet. While common, this is the weakest link because passwords can be guessed, phished, or stolen in a data breach. Second, something you have. This is possession. Think of a physical object like a UB key or a digital one like a one-time code sent to your smartphone. This is much safer because a hacker would physically need your device to get in. Third, something you are. This is inherence or biometrics. Your fingerprint, your face, or even your iris. It's incredibly convenient. But remember, unlike a password, you can't reset your fingerprint if a database ever gets hacked. That's why we rarely rely on just one of these anymore. As we move through 2026, authentication is evolving. You've likely heard of multi-factor authentication, or MFA. This is when a system requires two or more different factors, like a password and a thumbprint. It's the gold standard for personal security. But the biggest shift right now is toward passkeys. We are finally moving into a passwordless world.
Instead of typing a long string of characters, your devices use secure cryptography to talk to each other.
You just unlock your phone, and you're instantly logged into your laptop. We also have adaptive authentication. This uses AI to look at the context. If you usually log in from New York at 9 a.m., but suddenly there's a login attempt from London at 3 a.m., the system gets suspicious. It will ask for extra proof, even if the password provided is correct. It is very common to confuse authentication with authorization, but they are two sides of the same coin. Authentication is about identity. Who are you? Authorization is about permissions. What are you allowed to do? Imagine you are at a hotel. Authentication is the front desk checking your ID. Authorization is the plastic key card they give you. It lets you into your room, but it won't open the manager's office. You need both to have a secure system. Understanding authentication is the first step in protecting your digital footprint. In an age where data is gold, being the only one who can prove your identity is your best defense. Check your settings today, enable MFA wherever you can, and consider switching to passkeys for your most important accounts. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.